What up, YouTube? The Outdoorsman 26 here. Yesterday, I done a gun review. I told you guys I couldn't have the gun in that video. I didn't have it with me. I will get the gun and put the part 2 to it and actually do the review. I did get a comment on it and stuff, and I'll fix it, okay? The person that commented, just stop. Who cares what you think? Other people might not think that. So, today I'm going to do a big, and it is a Powerline by Daisy. We'll get right to that, okay? Okay, here's the baby gun that I'm talking about. I've showed you guys this. I'm going to go ahead and drop the clip out because it holds the clip right here. It is the company Daisy. It is a model 340, 170 cal. It fires good. There's no bad thing about it. I think that there's a bullet in it. I think we're going to check it. It's either that or it's jammed. I think that there is a BB in it somewhere. I don't know why it's like that, if you guys can hear, but there is nothing in it, and it sounds like there's a baby in it. That is okay, we will fix it. I will show you the fixing to it when we do that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I think I just fixed it. Just going to put one through it. Now, I'm going to shoot it right here. If you want to watch. Okay, see, that is when you only pull that back. Now, when we cock it, like what we are about to do right now, we're going to cock this sucker. You'll hear that. Now, what we're going to do is just pop one right there. Oh, sweet. We fixed the problem. I got 2 babies. That was good because I just fixed the problem, I think. I'm not sure. But, that's good. Now I'll pop these 2 babies right back in the clip here. And I'll show you a little bit more. Now, okay, this right here, that's what you get the clip out with. I'll just go ahead and slide the clip back in, and then show you the safety. That's on fire. Then you go ahead and take that safety. I'm going to keep it on safety throughout this review. Then this, here's the trigger, pull on safety. Right here, you've got the part that, like if you pull it back and you put that in, then it will stay back so you can check it. Not sure what that is. It pushes in. Not sure. I think I want to get some grips for it. You got this, which is, here, let me get it off safety for you. When you pull that, that activates the spring, comes out, put it back on safety here. Hold on, guys. How to get it on safety. Alright. I can put there's the inside of the barrel. Then, let me show you a little bit more about the clip. Alright. Now, see the clip. Didn't show you down here. Right here is a thing that you can pull out. Just go. You pull it out. You fill that with BBs, you see. Then you take that right here. You just do that. Then you got babies in the clip. And then what you do is you pull it out. You do shake it like that. Push it right back. And then there you go. It puts babies in it instead of having to sit here and load it. Now, that is the simplest way to put babies in the chamber. I will show you where the clip goes. I don't have much light. Here, let me get y'all some light. Alright, hold on. Almost got y'all some light. Now, I should have light in there now. If you just want to see right in there. Alright. Now, that, folks, is the Daisy 340 model BB gun review. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember to always be an outdoorsman.